In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio in Shotcut. We'll take a widescreen project and turn it into a vertical 9:16 video, which is ideal for phones and popular short-form platforms. Aspect ratio simply describes the shape of your frame. Most projects start at 16:9, which is landscape. Switching to 9:16 flips that to a vertical canvas, so your content fills the screen on mobile. With your project open, head to the top menu and choose Settings, then Video Mode. Scroll to the bottom, select Custom, and click Add. This opens a window where you can name the new mode if you like, but the key part is adjusting the aspect ratio. Set it to 9:16 for a vertical format, then confirm with OK. Depending on your version of Shotcut, you might see width and height fields instead of a ratio selector. If that's the case, just make sure the dimensions are set to a vertical layout. What matters is that the shape is 9:16. After a moment, your preview will switch to a tall frame so you can see exactly how your video will look. You'll probably notice your original clip doesn't fill the new frame yet. That's expected because the source was widescreen. Click your clip in the timeline to select it. Then open the Filters panel and search for Size and Position. Choose Size, Position, and Rotate. This filter gives you on-screen controls in the preview so you can scale and reposition the video. Drag the corner handles to enlarge the clip until it fills the vertical frame. If your subject is off to the side, click and drag to center them. Take a moment to play back and check the top and bottom edges so nothing important gets cropped. A couple of quick tips as you adjust. Try not to overzoom if your source resolution is low. The more you scale, the softer the image might look. If you're mixing clips, apply the same filter to each one for consistency. You can also copy and paste the filter settings between clips to save time. And remember, by setting the video mode first, your export will follow this vertical format without extra work later. That's it. Your project is now formatted vertically, and your video fills the 9:16 frame. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and consider subscribing for more editing guides. I'll see you in the next tutorial.